no name should be revealed to nobody. That's my job. I don't know their name. And the best secret that you can keep is the one that you don't know. My job is to protect them. If you are a juror, you cannot say who was there. You cannot say their name. That's a felony. The media, you cannot ask the question to them. That's a felony. So make sure what you are doing, because if you ask me how many, what they said, why they vote, you're committing the crime of felony, and I will hold you accountable.
How many are there and what are their names?
Sir, hold on. It's my turn. She said on the today, she wrote, demand to amend with no delay. Dear Joaquin, I, Susan A. Hammond, spouse of Dwight L. Hammond Jr., and mother of Stephen D. Hammond, we are people of we the people, in discord with civil servants. We are victims of multiple constitutional crimes, desum tort, which means of their own wrong, committed by de facto elected or appointed officers of the United States of America. Wherefore, in accordance with the supreme law of the land forever in his entirety, we demand to amend with no delay in 40 days for remedy to our deprived constitutional and inalienable rights. We are here, we are elected by the people, and we are going to do it immediately. My co-worker Lee Rice and another administrators are coming, and we are going to work immediately. And remember, what the grand jury says is final. No judge in no court of the United States can re-examine what we the people has a grand jury say. Thank you.
Common law enforcement.
Well, at the conclusion of our meeting, I'd like to have another song and a closing prayer. Sharps, can you give us a song, please? By the way, our music is provided by the Sharp family from Kansas. And they drove all the way out here because they also believe in this cause. We have people here from pretty much every state in the union. They either are here now or have been.
I want to start by saying that this song it's a new song to our family, and it was given to us. It's by Chris Rice. We heard him sing it, and we're going to sing it. It's our theme concert for this beginning year for January. It's the first time we've played it out, so bear with us. But it's our heartbeat right now. To go light our world. That we all have a candle. And we can do something with it. And so we just hope that it blesses you. And God bless you all. Would you hold this for me? Some
like your flag.